you join us in the Defender. And we have been busy designing things. Well, Zach has, and this is Zach's latest invention. So this is a charging adapter for a Magsafe. So you can buy a genuine Apple Magsafe. Now these little Apple Magsafe things are brilliant. They not only charge your phone, they also hold it. They set up a little magnetic thing so that it physically holds your phone, and whilst it's holding it magnetically, physically as it were, it also charges it. So Zach has designed this. Now this is actually double-sided, so if you look here it says, oh there we go, we got the HSX, it says right hand drive there, you can see in the middle there, and if you put it that way round it's left hand drive. And the reason is it's going to fit in this dash bit here, and there is a slight taper on it, so that's why we've had to do it slightly, because it's slightly sort of triangular. There's a slight difference on it. Right, so when you're right, so Destiny's going to demonstrate now. So if you've got it, if you're sitting in a right-hand drive car, which we are, make sure you can see the words right-hand drive, and then you can snap the little Magsafe in, but you've got to get the cable through, so you can either push the whole disc through or put that in, and get the cable at the top where there's the little cutout, and that forces in pretty tight. Now it's got to be tight, because otherwise when you pull the phone away, its little magnet will be holding and it will whoop the thing out of the case. So that's quite a tight fit in there intentionally. Now this is going to snap into place in the dash rail. Now there is a little back cap in there. You've got to put the USB cable through the hole in the back first. Now originally Zach did this and gave it to me, and he was like, this is brilliant, and I was going, it was rubbish, because we had way too much coil, because you've got the USB here. Now on some cards it's a USB A, on some cards it's USB C, on some cards it's a cigarette lighter, in which case you'll need a USB adapter thing for it, right? But we've got USB C, so we've got that in. When you've threaded that through, you can just push that in. Now the cable is way too long. Look, I mean, look, it goes all the way across the car, all the way over to the other side. So what we developed was this little second bit, and then you can just feed it in, coil it round and round and round, and that creates a little hidden drum for you. Now obviously you can actually put it pretty much anywhere along here, and all the cable disappears. That was a bit of a afterthought on our part. So when you've got it roughly the right length that you think you need, you can always pull a bit more out if you get it in place. And then now there's a little sort of fine ledge on it that grips under this lip. So Destiny's going to demonstrate now. You get that under, and then when it goes down to the back edge clicks in. There. And then that's absolutely solid. Right, where was my phone? So let's see let's have a look. So this should now charge your phone. Okay. So here we go. It's going to bong. All right. There you go. And that is now charging my phone. And that should mechanically hold your phone. So even if you're going off-roading or whatever, it's not going to slide about. That is firmly there. So you can just, and then when you want to use it, you can just pick it up. There you go. That is our new MagSafe phone holder for the dash rail on the Defender. Let us know your comments.